Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Skillibeng girlfriend expose everything, guys. Stick around and see what go on in another video. Yeah.
I'm putting it out there now because it has gotten to a point where I need to address it. So, Skillibeng and I are together. We are in a full-blown relationship. But yeah, I never thought I'd be addressing this anytime soon. But you guys went as far to form some sort of investigator. I don't know, I wanna go dig real deep and find whatever it is that you guys found. Sent it over to some gossip pages, myself in a video. Like, it was getting to a point where it was no longer my truth and someone else's truth. So I'm just putting it out there, telling you guys that this is what is happening, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, I see you guys leaving some comments and whatever, saying that, oh, for money, or for this, or for that, or for the hype, or so them young girl that stay. What do you know about me, sir? Listen, you guys know nothing about this relationship. You guys know nothing about where we're coming from or how we got here, so let's just leave it there. It's been going on for a hot second. I'm sure I don't know that, and I just feel like say, so you guys really don't know what is happening, how long it's been, nothing at all. And it's really gonna stay that way, because not because you guys rushed this part of it means that everything else is gonna be rushed. Everything is still going to move at my own pace, his own pace. Whenever we are ready to talk, start doing stuff together publicly, you guys will know. And it's when we are ready, not when on decide for go FBI, turn some sort of FBI. We are go, yeah, I'm sure I understand what I'm trying to say. And even though it's been addressed and everything is out there, I hope you guys can still respect our space, timing, everything. Just respect that we are humans too, and we should be able to do stuff on our own time, just like everybody else out there would deserve that, right? And also, nervous. It's come to the point where these rumors are, well, I'm a rumor because I never said it, he never said it. But moving along, it's affecting my channel in the way that I'm asking for like opinion, unpopular opinions, dirty secrets, whatever it is, and it's just pure Skillibeng. I can't even get what I need for my video. Like, I'll probably get 100 responses and 65 of them is about. You understand what I'm saying? So I'm just hope say now that you don't know, Uno will calm down a bit. That probably not make no sense to Uno, but I hope Uno can respect that. I just ask for a small favor. Just a little favor, not serious. Not that serious. But if I live, when I look around in my class, no! I'm eating that for myself, so. And yeah, guys, I really wasn't ready. I'm just never ready, because I know that these things come with a lot of negativity, a lot of hate, a lot of backlash, a lot of just one whole heap of where I just never think say me ready for, I'm prepared for. And some people will start and talking, say she do it because she do it for build her channel or whatever. yeah, I'm sure to see me I build my own thing on my own with my own personality from the get go. I never got post and oh yes, mama tell you. I see people commenting and say, oh, she giving hints and she. I'm not giving hints to nobody. I only want dig for hints. I am posting what I want to post. It's my page, my man. Period. And that's no period. So I'm sorry, that kind of too vulgar phone stuff. I just step back a bit, you know. But yeah, I want them to know that even though this is out, wanna know about it, it's public. Nothing will change with how I deal with things. So don't bother come expect more for it. No bother expect a couple photos tomorrow. A couple's pic on the beach. Don't expect that right now. Because I never tell you anything. It's gonna go search and go dig. You guys went. Y'all really went out. Like, I want to remember that. I see the picture there on my phone page. Listen, you're just doing too much. So it's out there, and we just have to accept that. No, say it's no longer a secret. I don't need to be hiding anything. So yeah, I think that's all I came here to say. As I said, this is just, I literally just took up my camera and recorded this. It wasn't planned or anything. I just wanted to address it. I never want people running with their own ideas, their own thoughts, making up stuff in their head. I saw somebody say, she didn't say her uncle, but they just try to get to know my back still. So yeah, I was like, it's not my uncle. We've known each other for quite some time. Yeah, I know my uncle, not my cousin, not my brother, not my father. Not never funny. That never funny at all. Why me I laugh? But when I kind of obvious say I'm nervous, I know say I don't normally come to you guys like this. I'm normally hey mama. And I know someone still after laugh because that is just me as a person. But yeah, I think I've said enough. I think this should answer your questions. Nobody come ask me, oh my god, when that? When I got understand, don't ask me anything about my private life. Please, I'm begging you. And leave the man alone too. Leave both of us alone.